Phyu Minglava.
Minglava Shin. Thank you.
Malaysia Yaguria, Chimo Solini, Yera Twiniara. Tomorrow Chima Lira, Malo Machim.
No. Chima Lira outside the washing. Phyu Name down Hawaii. Phyu Kyaw Thein so very.
Season 9 Mare, okay, Ama, a Kulumu CRC, the singer Nipi, Madu Kanago, Lily Susane, a chain baby ladder, 2 Jesu Shibare, Emma.
Phyu Valley Kulumio, Mitansulumio, Pico carrier, to some young one dog you buy, Jesu later.
Okay, Bashi, Mapu, a chain.
How? Phyu was a garlic in the name of Phyu.
Okay, Bashi,
Phyu. Decently with the champion, we should be Loyamala.
Okay, Bashi.
Phyu Valley, Sagali, you like the Chile, so like Lomas or many of the can be Java, no? Thank you. I change the dia of Gorilla. If you Sagali rally, you cannot think can be some with Java, no? If you are Sagali in Yaluba. Shit. Nadamo? Mingalava? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to say Blessed Silver Jubilee to CRC. I'm Phyu Phyu from Burma, Myanmar. I'm a celebrity singer, performer, songwriter, living now in France as a political refugee since after the coup in 2021. During my 20 years of successful career as a pop star, before the coup, of course, I have performed many concerts in Kuala Lumpur and other cities in Malaysia. But this time, it's quite different. I was proudly invited by CRC to celebrate their 25-year anniversary. Today, I didn't come here as a celebrity singer. I come here as a political refugee and a fugitive myself, who has known all the pains and the perils of running and hiding, crossing the border illegally on one dark, fateful night, and again, hiding as a paperless immigrant in a border town until I found refuge in France. So today, I've come here as a sister to this community, as one of us, a refugee. You might all be wondering, how could a celebrity singer, a pop star from Burma, end up as a refugee, right? Could that really happen to a high-profile artist? Yes, that's ridiculous. It's happening in Burma. It all began with the comeback military coup. The first day of the parliament of our democratically newly elected government at the dawn of the 1st February 2021, where our president, our state councillor Aung San Suu Kyi, and almost all of the parliament were arrested by the junta. And a huge uprising was followed after that across the country. And a few weeks later, the junta started to gun down the peaceful protesters. I published a song called Tears, which I'm going to sing in a few minutes, on my social media, with the footages of the violent crackdowns of these peaceful protests. The song became viral, and the junta put me on the warrant list. with the accusation of defaming the state. Under the Penal Code 505A, the accused can be arrested at least 3 years. Well, I had two choices. One is to apologize to Hunter, appease with them, make a deal with them that I won't be involved in the politics again, and continue my pop star career and pretend that nothing has ever happened in Burma, and let them use my image for their normalization propaganda to the world that everything is fine in Myanmar. Otherwise, I would get arrested and tortured in these notorious prisons in Burma. Another choice is to leave my successful life, career, my family, my fans, everything I've built and cherished for 20 years, to become a fugitive and end up in the third country like a nobody. Well, I chose the second option because I couldn't shake the bloody hands of those hunters who have killed and tortured thousands of my fans and my fellow citizens. My choice, of course, has huge consequences. And finally, I have no choice but to decide to leave my country and everything I cherish and become a political refugee, a nobody in France, my third country. Well, this song, Tears, changed my life from a megastar to a nobody. This song tells the truth about Myanmar, formerly called Burma. The lyrics of these songs are literally the tears of the voiceless people of Myanmar. Please listen to the song. Thank you. Could you please remove this for me? Thank you. And I would like to show a background video together with this song as well. Thank you very much. Jesus.